You know that feeling when payday hits and for like 3 days, life is good? Then you blink and it's gone. And you're sitting there thinking, where did it even go? You weren't out here buying yachts. You just lived. And somehow that was enough to wipe it out. I've been there. Most people have. The problem isn't you. It's that nobody ever handed you a structure. So every month becomes this exhausting guessing game where rent fights with restaurants, and somehow your savings account always loses. There's a fix, and it's embarrassingly simple. 50% for the stuff you have to pay, 30% for the stuff you want to do, 20% for future you. That's it. That's the whole thing. Your after-tax income, the number that actually lands in your bank, gets split 3 ways. Half covers the non-negotiables: rent, groceries, utilities, getting to work, insurance. The 30% is yours to actually enjoy. Dinner out, a trip, whatever makes life feel like life. And that last 20% goes straight to savings, investments, or knocking out debt. Every dollar knows where it's going. You stop making 47 tiny decisions a week. The stress quietly starts to lift. Say you bring home $3,000 a month. That's $1,500 for needs, $900 to spend however you want, and $600 going toward your future. Do that for a year without touching it. That's $7,200 sitting there, built out of a normal income and a simple rule. Not some extreme budget where you're eating plain rice and canceling Netflix. Rent is eating you alive in an expensive city? Cool, shift to 60/20ths, 20 for now. But promise yourself savings never drops below 10%. That floor matters. Trying to save for a house or get out of debt fast? Flip it to 50/20ths, 30. You'll feel it in your lifestyle, but you'll feel it even more when you hit the goal. Got high-interest credit card debt? Throw most of that 20% at it, but still move something to savings, even if it's $50. Because without that cushion, the next flat tire just goes right back on the card. Figure out what lands in your account each month. Multiply it by 0.5, 0.3, and 0.2. Write those 3 numbers on a sticky note if you have to. Next payday, move your savings out first before you do anything else. This is the one that changes everything. When savings moves automatically, you stop forgetting to do it. Then just watch for the first month. Don't try to be perfect. Just see where your money actually goes. I promise the picture will surprise you, and then it'll motivate you more than any advice could. One small change this month is worth more than a perfect plan you never start. Cancel one thing you forgot you were paying for. Automate one transfer. Pick one number to improve. That's enough. That's how it starts. What does your split look like right now? Honestly, drop it in the comments and I'll help you figure out where to start.